YouTube is a powerhouse for long-form content with over 2 billion users who actively search for videos to learn, entertain, or solve a problem. What many businesses don't realize is that YouTube can also be a huge traffic driver for your website. I helped a home improvement company that had a small but engaged audience. They started producing step-by-step tutorial videos on how to tackle home improvement projects. Not only did their YouTube channel grow rapidly, but their website traffic increased as viewers clicked through to buy the tools and products featured in their videos. YouTube is essentially a search engine, so if you optimize your videos well, you can rank on both YouTube and Google, driving organic traffic. Here are some key takeaways to jot down. YouTube is great for educational long-form content like tutorials, how-tos, and product reviews. SEO is key. Optimize your videos to rank on both YouTube and Google. Industries like tech, education, and home improvement thrive here.